How to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone on iPhone. So if you're trying to record your TikTok video and then you see allow TikTok to access camera and microphone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Now once you open the settings app, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to apps. If you're using iOS 18 and then click on it. On iOS 17, click on TikTok, but on iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps. Now scroll down the page until you get to TikTok and click on the app icon. So click on TikTok. Now once you click on that, locate microphone and camera. If these two are disabled, you'll not be able to record video on the TikTok application on your iPhone. So if you open the TikTok app, you click on the plus icon that you see allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. So just go back and make sure you toggle on microphone as well as camera. Once you do that, you can now exit the page, and if you open the TikTok app, then try to record your video, you discover that you can now use TikTok on your phone. So that is basically how to allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.